Namaste all, let's start with kitchen cleaning. So first segregate your work, divide all your work, and I'm going to start with cleaning my kitchen platform. So first I'm going to clear out my all the stuff that has been there on the platform. I'll clear it out everything. It takes required time like 1 hour mostly, and after that the second thing is I'll clear all the jars and storage containers that I have in my kitchen. I'll clear everything and I'll keep it in the sunlight to uh, get some fresh air. And after this, the third part which I'm going to do is going to clean my utensils and cooktop. So this is the utensils that I'm going to clean everything. All the utensils that you have in your kitchen, you can clean it out. And the third part that I segregated is this disinfect cleaner mold. I'm going to spray it where it's totally dark area, where you can see in the video it's the lining part of kitchen is very dark. So in that case you can spray mold which will clear it out everything, as you can see. And after that my next part is going to clean my kitchen platform with this soft cotton kitchen towel, and with this I'm going to rub all the kitchen tiles and platform and make it dry. And after this my next part is going to be my drawers cleaning, or you can say cabinet cleaning, and we'll clean it with liquid cleaner that I am using for utensils. So this all the cabinets, all the things that has been used in the kitchen, I have cleaned with the liquid cleaner and I have kept it near the sunlight so that it gets dry. And the next part is to clean all the appliances, because while cooking all the oil that comes out, it sticks to your appliances. So it's very important to clean all the appliances every week or every second day. So all the appliances I'm going to clean it and will kept it near my clean area. And after this the next part is to clean all the cabinets. So cabinets and drawer is very important to clean, and you can use the spray that you have as a cleaner, all purpose spray that can be used on the cermicas. So you can use that and clean it, and you can see the difference after cleaning. It looks like it's newly made. Now the next is to whatever you have cleaned, just arrange it everything and organize everything that you removed it while cleaning, and just arrange all the stuff that is used in the kitchen. So this way you can segregate all the work. And the last part is whatever dust that has been came from kitchen while cleaning, you can throw it out in the dustbin that you have in your area. So this is the result after cleaning. So this is my Diwali cleaning ideas, and you can say tip: segregate all the work that can be done easily. Thank you. Hello all. So finally I'm done with my cleaning video, and I'm done with my cleaning too. तो मैंने पूरा किचन अपना क्लीनिंग कर लिया है। अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और बेल आइकन तो जरूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि सबसे पहले आपको मेरी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। चलिए मैं मिलती हूँ अगले वीडियो में। टिल देन आप लोग अपना ध्यान रखिए। बाय।